Hi guys, it's Mandy from Mom Craft Teach. Today I'm actually doing something a little bit different, not planner related. As you can tell by my name, I'm a mom, I like to craft, and I also teach. I am a online ESL teacher for VIP Kid, and my whole intention with my YouTube channel was to bring videos that kind of show you what my passions are. So obviously one of my biggest passions is happy planning, but another one of my many hobbies is crocheting. So I do follow Bella Coco Crochet on YouTube as well as Instagram, and she provides many wonderful videos on how to crochet and many patterns, and she just spreads a lot of crochet love in the crafting community. And so when I heard that she was going to be starting her own crochet subscription box, I knew I had to jump on that wagon. So this is the very first Crochet Society crochet subscription box from Bella Coco. It is a monthly box that you will get. It's shipped from the UK, so it took a little bit of time, about a week longer than I was seeing a lot of other people receive it out in Europe. I only got a 3-month subscription, which was about $100. So it's roughly about $30 a month with and plus any shipping fees and everything to get this box. Now you can purchase a yearly subscription. I don't remember exactly how it works. I know they do close the subscriptions like any box, like a planner. I was part of the Planner Society at one point where you can only subscribe to the box through a certain date in the month. I believe it's the 15th in order to get the next month's box. So just to try it out, I wanted to get the 3-month subscription to see what goodies I got, and I just got this in the mail. I haven't opened it, I haven't done anything with it yet, so my reaction on this video to what is in this box will be 100% genuine. So I'm really excited. They said that they would be featuring different yarns, include patterns, and also include some crochet notions and accessories. So let's just go ahead and quit my gabbing and dive right into the first ever Crochet Society subscription box by Bella Coco Crochet. So obviously the packaging is beautiful. I love the pastel colors here. Hashtag Crochet Society. And this is the website if you are interested in where to sign up. And let's see. Oh, that's nice. So it does have Velcro right here before we open it. So it's nice. It's not like taped up. So this is a nice box that you can keep, stuff in. Very cute here. Don't forget to share your makes with us at hashtag Crochet Society. But first, crochet. Oh yeah, I'm definitely saving this box. I don't know what I'm gonna put in it, but I am definitely saving it because it's super cute. Love this mint tissue paper here with the very cute Crochet Society sticker. And let's go ahead and see what we have. I don't want to rip it because I kind of want to take pictures later on to share on social. So let's see. Oh my goodness. Look at this cute little tissue paper confetti. That is adorable. We have some of our Crochet Society literature here, the magazine. And let's just open this first. So hello and welcome to your first Crochet Society box. Yay! So like I said, this is the very first Crochet Society box. I saw that she had announced this back in March, I think? February or March. And they said that they were going to be shipping them out in May. So I believe it was March. I apologize. My husband's putting Maya to bed, so hopefully if you hear her crying, it's just because she's probably resisting. So here's the contents. It's like the magazine. We have here all the abbreviations of what the different patterns mean. You can see there's different patterns in here. You have the Willowfield mittens. It looks like a wall hanging, a little pocket bear, these adorable little baby booties, and then you have a chat with the designer for this month's accessory pattern. So then you can also see here, it tells you what's in your box, where the yarn was made, and also top tips for taking beautiful photos of your makes, which is very nice to know. Now, I did read that all the patterns in here are British terms, so you might have to convert that over. For example, a double crochet in UK terms is just a single crochet in US. So there's a couple differences here. It's not that hard. I have something saved on Pinterest where I can kind of refer back and forth when I'm working on any patterns that might be UK. So just a nice article here. Then we're moving on to our patterns. What's in our box. I'm not gonna read through this yet because I just wanna dig through and see what else. Okay, so the next thing in the magazine is this beautiful wall hanging, which they have the designer in here. Has anyone ever made one of these? I think that they're beautiful. I just never know what to do with them, where to put it. I don't really have any place in my home that I can put something like this, but I love them, so maybe I could make one and give it as a gift. I don't know. But now there's a fly in my office and it's bothering me. My parents are moving their stuff out of my house right now because they found a townhome not too far from us, and so the doors were open when they were moving their furniture in and out, and now there's a fly in my office and it's driving me crazy. Anyways, so pattern for the beautiful wall hanging, and a little bit more literature here on the makers of the yarn that is in this box. This adorable pocket bear that you can have, I suppose, as a little toy maybe for Maya. She might enjoy this. And these adorable booties. I have a new niece that's going to be due in July, so maybe this is something that I can make for her. And then more information here about subscribing to the Crochet Society box. So, looks like there's a little discount in here I'll have to look into. But that is what is in this little magazine here. Now let's get in on this great box of goodies. So we have 2 skeins of, looks like DK yarn by Bo Peep, which is made in West Yorkshire. And so I believe they give you enough to make a big project and a small project, or a big project. I don't remember exactly. I'll have to look. But either way, 2 beautiful yarns here. This is in, let's see if it says the color. It might just be a color code. I don't see an actual color name on here, but a beautiful kind of greenish blue and this beautiful gray. Here we have a little bit of polyfill, it looks like, for probably the bear. Let's see. A very cute little card here that says, "Shh, I'm counting," which I love, which is so funny because I feel like, oh, this is nice. Okay, so this is a guide to UK terms, like I was saying before, where the UK and US, this is nice to have to put in my crochet bag. That way I can just refer to this instead of pulling it up on my phone all the time, as well as these handy dandy hook size conversions. That's amazing. But shh, I'm counting, I love that because I always tell my husband to shush because I'm trying to count my stitches. And sometimes instead of saying shush, I'll just count louder. So if anyone else can relate, let me know in the comments down below. Here, but first crochet. Oh, this adorable book. You can write some notes, some pattern notes. Maybe you're writing your own pattern. I love this so much. Oh my goodness, this beautiful, looks like a polymer clay handle crochet with a rose gold hook. This is gorgeous. I absolutely love it. And it does say Crochet Society on it. How special. I love that. Oh, Crochet Society. measuring tape. I think that I'm more in love with this just because there's this beautiful turquoise mint color that's like my absolute favorite, as well as pink. Pink and mint are definitely my favorite colors. And let's see here. All right, so as I was saying, let's see, we have another card here about the Bo Peep yarn. Oh my goodness, these adorable stitch markers. Look how cute, you guys. A ball of yarn, but first crochet, and that same symbol here as the tape measure. I love that it's all branded too by the Bella Coco. It's adorable. So cute. And last but not least, beautiful crochet sticky notes. These are great to put under patterns when you're reading them so you know what row you're on. And I love this, Be Inspired. Of course I like it because my Etsy shop is Stay Inspired Designs and my Instagram name is Inspired Plans. So how fitting. Let's see. Other than that, the only other thing that I see here in this box is treat yourself. Join the Crochet Society today and receive a luxury box of crochet goodies every month. So you can see here, for as little as $14.99 per month. Obviously that's in UK pounds, but I believe this is the price if you subscribe for a whole year. I don't know if it's something that I will continue to do, but I definitely will give my feedback on what I think more about this as I use the yarn that's provided in this kit. So, oh, some safety eyes too for those little bears that you can make. Very nice. Overall, I think that everything that I got in the kit is wonderful, and I'm really excited to use all this, especially these stitch markers. I love that they're the lobster clasp stitch markers that are easy enough to take on and off. A lot of times I use the open split stitch markers, but I have the other kind that are more like a safety pin where they catch. I think I like these better, and plus they're like easier to identify and not lose, because I lose all those little things like nobody's business. And I'm very excited about this hook. It's so gorgeous. So I will keep you guys updated on my projects here from the first Crochet Society box. And make sure you follow me on Instagram. I think that I will be posting any of my crochet related stuff on my mom.craft.teach Instagram account. So if you don't already follow me there, that's where I put the rest of my mom, craft, and teaching content, and I try to keep all of my Happy Planner and Etsy content on my Inspired Plans account. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video today, and let me know in the comments below if you are also a subscriber of the Crochet Society, or if it's something that you think you would be interested in, or I'd love to know if you crochet too, and so that you know, I have some more crochet friends on here. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and hit that bell to get notified for when I post new videos. All right, take care.